Good afternoon. Today on Customer States What? We're going to be replacing this here tail lamp assembly, but things just got interesting as the freaking tailgate don't open. Alright, so here we are on location in the back of the bed. We have a number of T30s we must remove in order to get this here plastic panel off, so I could gain access to whatever linkage is not connected to that outer handle, so we could open the tailgate and gain access to the bolts that hold in the tail lamp assembly. Great. Oh, somebody's been in here before. There's no freaking screws holding this. Oh wait, no, those screws hold that in. Okay, never mind. All right, move the handle. All right, hold on. Move it now. All right. How about now? Move it now.
No.
What the fuck? Something ain't working right here.
It's this.
Oh, there we go.
I just did it. I pushed these two.
All right, so they need. Oh, my little light cap came off. Let's put that in the pocket. So here we have. I hate you so much. All right, guys. Here we have, and here we know for a fact they need a rear handle. It's damaged here. Customer had to know about it because there was a big Bugatti hit right here. So here we have the brand new lens. We had to get the tailgate open to access both mounting bolts. It's getting a new harness because the new lens comes with a brand new harness and brand new bolts. Very good. Now to access the connector, it's all the way down in here. Right up there, as you can see. Where is it? Oh, there it is, right there. And that's the same for the other side as well. So let's get that tail light. Now guys, when installing the tail lamp assembly, that hole right there and that hole right there, those pegs go into first, as you can see right there. There's one there and there's one right there. So those go in first, and then you put the lens into place, and then you could put the hardware in right there. Okay guys, quick tip of the video. If you're reusing the hardware to the tail lamp assembly, I highly recommend just putting a little dab of high tempo anti-seize on there. As you can see, they were very rusty, and excuse me, getting them out was an issue. So yeah, make sure you could remove them for next guy or next time. All right, now that we have everything installed, we're gonna do a check. Good. 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 Very good. If you guys don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.